Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Woo! I have a very special guest today. I'm so excited. It's my boo, XThuyLe. I'm like, I'm so excited. We have just finished filming a video for Thuy's channel. Make sure you check it out.
So excited. That video went so well. It was a quite emotional one, so you guys definitely have to go and check that video out. It was so good. We had to react to everyone's old YouTube videos, so definitely go check that out.
It is a juicy one, guys. So literally, we watched OGs, our friends, their first ever YouTube video, and we're literally just like reacting to it. It's actually such a fun video.
It was good. We was throwing a bit of shade,
throwing a bit of shade in there. It was juicy. It was juicy. And what we're going to be doing on this one is a video inspired by James Charles and Nikita Dragun. And I thought it was just fitting because we got
with the UK versions of
Miss Nikita over here and Mr. James Charles over here. Yeah, apparently loads of people say that Thuy looks like Nikita and that I kind of like look like James Charles. I can see Nikita, but I'm not sure about me.
I can see a bit of James Charles in you.
A little bit.
You got a similar jawline. You guys talk quite quickly, you know.
Maybe. I'm not sure. There's fluff in the air. It's all going down. So they basically posted a video and it is a Facetune challenge.
And we love a challenge, guys, and we also love a bit of Facetune.
I definitely feel like in our group of friends, we definitely have the reputation that we do love a little bit of Facetune.
We love a bit of editing, a bit of snatching.
A bit of snatch. And I know so many people say that, oh my god, like it's all about natural beauty and all that jazz. But we ain't got time for that. Nah. This channel's not for that. We all know we love a Facetune moment and that is part of the challenge. We are very excited.
Yes, so we've got 3 rounds in this video. We are going to be doing the first round where we have to Facetune makeup on. And then the second round, we are going to be trying to do a makeup look for a makeup campaign. And then the last one, we have to Facetune our friends out of the photo, which is going to be so hard.
Let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, round 1. Ding, ding, ding. We are gonna have this image right here, and the idea is that we have to do a glam makeup look.
It'll be a day to night, okay? So this is the daytime, and we're gonna change him to the nighttime for the club.
We have 5 minutes, so we're gonna need another device to time it on.
So we can interpret this however we want. There's no rules.
No rules.
But just 5 minutes.
5 minutes, dramatic makeup. P.S. Facetune, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor me and Thuy.
Oh my god, I love you so much.
Hook us up.
Please.
Hook us up, because I noticed on their video, I think that their ads were all Facetune.
Oh, and I see their ads all the time on TikTok as well.
I know. Just let us know.
Please.
Emails in the bio. Okay, so we have put a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so
Oh my god, I feel like I forgot everything already.
Me too, I don't know how to edit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Go with the eyes first.
Okay.
And I'm gonna create like a smoky eye look.
Don't peek. Yeah. Don't look at my masterpiece.
Okay. For nice.
Babe, you need to look up a little bit while you see his head.
I'm just like, I'm going in, guys. I feel like I do actually work well under pressure, but right now, this is not something that I know how to do.
Oh my god, I never really paint makeup on. So this
I
is
never
like
paint makeup on. I might make things a little bit sharper.
Oh yeah.
And sometimes I will definitely use the smooth tool.
Yeah.
My favorite.
I wonder what people used to use before Facetune, because this is such a revolutionary app.
It's so good.
Do you prefer Facetune 1 or 2?
I personally always use 2.
Yeah, I used to love number 1 though, but now I can never go back.
It's all about number 2 for me. I'm just like obsessed.
Yeah, what is the difference that you find between Facetune 1 and 2?
I just feel like there's more features.
I'm making you look like a raccoon.
Oh my god,
no!
I'm scared.
This is not good.
God.
This is actually harder than it seems.
This is so hard. And I actually feel like Nikita and James Charles
They are amazing at Facetune.
Such a good job.
I actually learned so many tips from their video. If you guys haven't seen it yet, go and watch it. You'll honestly learn so many tips from that. I feel like they're the Facetune god.
Who doesn't love a Facetune moment?
Yeah.
Facetune just makes it
that little bit extra, you know.
I
know some people are against editing their photos and stuff, but I honestly feel like there's nothing wrong with just enhancing what is there, because sometimes when you take a photo, it's really hard to capture your makeup exactly, or there's people in the background. Like, no one wants people swimming in the background, you know. We want to edit them out.
Quite hard sometimes just getting that perfect shot. And personally, I just love like when it's polished, and I feel like it looks a bit more professional. Like definitely when we're in LA, all the photos that we take, we could just take them on an iPhone.
Yeah, and your golden hour out there is just like gold.
But in the UK, it's just not like that. Like you literally have to edit. How you getting on, babe?
Oh my god, I feel like 5 minutes is well long.
We've only got 2 minutes left. What are you talking about?
Yeah, bear fine, babes.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay, she's getting confident now.
God, I feel like all you hear is just tapping.
All you hear
nails.
is nails.
I'm making you look like Mary Antoinette, sorry.
Oh, Jesus. Thanks. Oh, no.
Oh my god. Oh, this is awful.
Is it?
I don't
Babe,
think
I
I'm
want
that
it to
good
look cute.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Not doing you justice. I'm like, you're perfect already. I don't know what else
babe,
to do
as
to you. As if.
This one's already been Facetune, guys, in case anyone's wondering. I do not look like that, obviously, you can tell. Look how messy my hair is today. It's a mess.
I think you do look like your photos.
Really?
Yeah, I honestly do.
Actually, I was asking someone the other day if me and you actually do look like our photos.
Really?
And they said that, yeah. She said...
Would they tell you if
No,
you
she
didn't?
actually said there are plenty of people out there who definitely catfish. I'm not going to name any names.
Oh.
But,
You're
I can't
whispering
say.
to me. Tell me later.
I can't say.
Has it ever happened to you where you went to an event and you're like, you look nothing like your photos? Oh my god, we've got 30.
What, when I've seen someone?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we got 30 seconds!
Quick! Ah! I feel like
Oh my god, I feel so much pressure. And I
I've
feel
given
like...
you a bruise.
Oh, this is so hard. I feel like James Charles did such a good job. Oh my god, we got 5 seconds! Okay, stop. Oh my god. Okay,
sweating.
wait, how do you feel?
Oh my god, I think I went too subtle. I wish I would have went more out there.
Oh really? Okay,
Yeah.
I feel the same. I feel like I was quite safe. I wish I went for like a more of a bold lip color. Okay guys, so we are gonna show you the... I'm screaming so much, I'm so sorry. So we are gonna show you the finished results and we're gonna pop them up on screen and also show them to each other. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god!
You made me look like a drag queen! You look amazing!
Babe,
I can't believe you Facetune that. No!
Yeah.
You've done this before!
Let me see yours before after. Woo! Sweet, wow, you went in, honey.
Babe, that looks amazing! That needs to be on a Facetune ad. Like, I can't believe you put that on without a template or anything.
Does this mean I won?
Babe, that literally looks like a gold eyeshadow.
Why, hi.
Oh my god, you
How
added
are
glitter
you?
and texture. Oh my god, I'm so jealous.
Of course.
I feel like you went in.
I won!
You went in. Yours is like a lot more realistic, I think. Oh my god, look at the before and after. And I'm married.
Woo! It is getting hot in here.
I am a competitive okay? So, I'm not happy that I lost the last round. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves for this one.
My sleeves are rolled. Okay, guys, also, we are wearing matching outfits. And by the way, we did not plan this.
No,
we
we
did
didn't.
not plan this. We literally have the
See,
stripes.
we're twinsies.
We are twinsies. Round 2. What are we going to do?
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so Jeffree Star has just launched his new Bloodlust collection, which looks so beautiful. We're going to insert a photo of what it looks like here. It's like a purple, velvety
beautiful.
number. It looks so pretty.
And I wish I had it. I don't have it.
It's kind of like purple. It's got a pop of green in there. It's got like a black sparkly colour. So we're going to be editing each other's photos. So Danny's going to be editing a photo of me. I'm going to be editing a photo of Danny. I'm going to be editing this photo of Danny.
And I'm going to be editing this photo of Thuy.
So we're basically going to be doing a makeup look inspired by the Bloodlust collection.
Again, we have 5 minutes.
Should we do 5 minutes again?
Let's do 5 minutes
Okay.
again. I think that was a good amount of time, a good amount of pressure. The makeup look has to represent the Bloodlust palette.
Bloodlust collection campaign moment.
Like, it has to be a moment.
Do you think 5 minutes is long enough?
5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes, I saw that mockery that you created.
Okay, go.
It's on.
It's on!
Okay, go.
It's gonna be a moment, okay? I'm gonna come for you guys.
Oh no. She said this last time. It was very scary.
We got some big things to say. You
I know,
can't
I'm
say
just
nothing.
silent. I'm concentrating so hard. I'm gonna start with the eyes again. Maybe I should actually do the lips are terrible for me. I find it really, really hard to do the lips. Why is it crashing?
What Jeffree Star products have you tried?
Wait, is this even in the palette? It has to be colours in the palette, yeah?
Yeah,
Thuy?
of course it does. This is as close as we're gonna get to this
I'm
Jeffree Star
watching
palette.
you. But yeah, I love the Jawbreaker palette. I actually love Jeffree's products. I feel like he's got amazing products.
I think his products are really good. His eyeshadow quality is actually insane.
It's a really, really good formulation. Wish I had more of his stuff, if I'm honest.
Do you think Lipstick Nick will approve of this makeup?
I hope so.
She does all the campaign images.
She does all the campaign and they always look insane. Like Jeffree Star campaign images always come
We've
through.
actually met Jeffree Star before, haven't we?
He's really nice. I love him. He gives me good vibes.
This is actually really cool, looking at a palette and creating a makeup.
Yeah.
But online.
It's actually really cool what you can actually do on an app.
No, it's quite scary, guys, isn't
It's
it?
actually
There's a lot of wizardry.
so scary. I really wish I had this palette.
Like
I'm liking
it.
it. I'm feeling this, guys. I'm really scared that that buzzer thing's gonna go off.
I know, and
anytime.
we're not gonna know.
Baby, you better hurry up. I feel like you're running out of
no.
time. So I'm gonna use the tapping motion. I saw James Charles use this.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, stop.
No,
stop,
I need
stop.
another minute.
No, you don't. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Oh, no, I'm not already. Oh, it's so technical, this video, isn't it?
Oh my god, this is so technical, guys. I'm so scared of how this is going to edit. I don't know how easy or hard this is going to be to edit.
It's hard, babes. It's like trying to sync up everything.
Okay, so we are going to reveal on the screens mine and Thuy's final looks.
Yeah. How did you find it?
Good. I actually really enjoyed it. I feel like it was easier that I had a palette in front of me because then I knew what to take inspiration from. Whereas before I was just like, I have no idea.
Yeah,
so
you
I'm
literally
just
have to pluck something off the air.
3, 2, 1.
Antoinette now.
Oh my god.
That
Okay,
is
wait,
so
do before and after. Wow, Thuy, you went for it. She even changed the whole background.
I changed the background. That was actually the first thing I changed.
She-
Wow, look at
I
that.
went for a green under
blush.
eye, smoky eye,
The
a little
blush.
bit of a monochromatic
Babe,
blush.
I don't think that green is in the palette.
Yeah, it is.
No.
There is a green there and there.
Where? That green?
Yeah,
Okay.
these two. Yeah, that's a green.
That looks like more of like a mint though. Okay,
Shut up, it's blended out. I used some Fix Plus.
I think we should get someone to judge it.
Yeah, we're gonna get someone else to judge it, otherwise it's not very fair. So let's go and grab a judge. So we're gonna get Gwang to judge.
This is my boyfriend, by the way.
Oh yeah, everyone already knows who he is on my channel. Alright,
So,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
I will have to give that to Tweet as well.
No, stop making it fair.
Look, look how
That does
people
not
did
look
that
real.
eyeshadow look like.
That does not look real. This looks like it could really be a look.
Do you think Jeffree Star would approve? I think not.
This is her competitive side. Who is it, Gwang? Come on, you know that looks like real.
Come on, you want sexy time tonight or not?
I'll give you 6 time, don't worry.
Can I just
Yeah.
say, doesn't that look like a mint? It doesn't look like that green. This green is like a lime.
There wasn't any other one.
I would say Tweet because it looks more like
Good answer, babe.
Oh.
Okay, we'll see you in another 5 minutes.
Oh my god. Okay, so
Okay.
it's 1-1. We did not plan this, guys. We are not planning this. It is round 3. This is the final round.
I think this is the hardest round for sure.
For sure. We've set a challenge that I don't think either of us know how to do.
No.
This is the photo right here that we're going to edit. And what we need to do is remove myself and Ling.
So it's just gonna be me and Layla in the photo.
That's the idea. That is the idea. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. The rules are just us two need to be removed, and we're only allowed to use Facetune,
No
which is
other
kind of
apps.
scary. And how long do we have?
I think we can have a bit longer for this one.
Yeah, 10?
Oh, 10 minutes. Okay. I was thinking 6, but okay.
Yeah, let's do 6 minutes. What's
6
the point of that
minutes.
1 minute?
Yeah, that 1 minute counts, babe. Every minute counts.
Okay, 6 minutes.
So, guys, we're gonna put a poll up here. Who do you think is gonna win this challenge? Me or Danny?
It's me, guys. We know this. 3,
He's unplugging the charge and everything.
1, go!
Go.
All right, what are you gonna do?
I don't even know where to start.
No! God, it's all going wrong.
Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna move Ling from that balloon.
I think the background is a little bit hard, right?
It's a bit liney, isn't it? Whenever you have lines, guys, that is Facetune's worst enemy.
But at least it's like lines in the same direction, if that
Yeah.
makes any
I
sense.
feel like we're creating wizardry here. This is probably the challenge where people are going to be shocked at what Facetune can do. This photo was taken on the night of Layla's clothing launch.
Yes! Oh my god,
Just so
that's
crazy.
so true. That feels like ages ago now. So this was her Inda style collab. We're so proud of her, honestly. Really
Moved you now,
did
but
it. Have you?
yeah,
Does it look amazing?
it looks amazing.
Does it?
You're
Really?
gonna be shook, babe.
Oh my god, I'm
You're
getting nervous.
Quiver in your boots.
No!
This is awful.
This
Who
is
thought of
going
this challenge?
terribly.
You picked this damn photo. Are you doing Ling?
Yeah, I'm trying to. It's going really bad.
Yeah,
It's the balloon that's throwing me
She looks
right
like
off.
a balloon from Up right now. No! Oh,
What?
I just went out. I didn't.
Oh, we
No.
got 2 minutes left.
No, guys, I just accidentally pressed X. Didn't press the tick. Like an idiot. This is why patch is so annoying because you can't zoom out.
Oh,
of
is
it.
that what you're using? Ah!
Good old patch, you know what I mean?
I'm using patch as well. If I had more time, I feel like I could do it.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Confidence.
Wow.
Wow, this is confidence.
Wow, everyone looks so innocent in this
I
photo.
know.
There was a swipe right, guys.
Little do you guys know.
We've got 34 seconds. How's it going,
Oh,
babe?
This is awful, babe. No, I'm gonna lose this challenge. Babe, how's it going for you?
Great. I'm living my best life. It's all going fine.
Oh, no!
Oh no! Oh my god! That was so hard.
I'm literally sweating.
I'm sweating.
Like, my nose is running because I'm
I
like
feel
concentrating so much.
stressed. It's 1-1. Your boy needs to win. Okay, otherwise, if I don't win, I'm never filming another YouTube video.
I'm the special guest here, alright?
3, 2, 1, go.
Babe, I should have took that balloon out. Why did I even keep the balloon?
Yeah! Okay, do we need a judge?
No, you won.
Why did I keep doing now? Guys, I am so shook. I feel like you did a really good job though. It's just I can see that ring like many times.
If I had a couple more seconds, I could have.
Apparently, if she had a couple more seconds.
Yeah, babe, if I had a couple more seconds, I could have recreated this bit and flipped onto there. But I just the timer. Okay, the timer. I won. I do not like to admit defeat, guys. Okay.
In that note, let's use some hand sanitizer. There are worse things happening. Woo! Wow, we can breathe. That is the end of this challenge. You are looking at the winner. Danny Defreitas.
Get out of here.
Yeah. So we've literally just ordered a curry. We are going to live our best life.
We are going to celebrate. I'm actually going to be filming on my vlog and we're going to be talking all about being an influencer. Maybe we could do a mukbang.
Ooh, let's do that. Oh, I think that would be really good. Let's use the new lights.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, amazing. Perfect. We also hope that this video just makes people smile and gives someone positive energy because I know that things can be a little bit down right now.
I feel like this video would be so good to let people get their mind off things.
Yeah. Bruiser's on the phone.
Oh,
I want him to be on my channel.
Oh yeah, pick him up.
Bruiser, come here.
Come here.
This is Bruiser. Oh my god, this is Thuy's dog. And I love animals so much.
Little baby that I adopted. He's 13 years old. He's an old man. I feel like you're basically twins.
We have the same haircut. It's so cute. He's so cute. We hope that we have made you smile today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, we've also posted a really funny, juicy video on Thuy's channel. Yes. I'm going to link everything down below as well.
Go and watch it, guys. We reacted to all of our famous YouTuber friends and all of our people that we look up to as well. We watched their first ever YouTube videos.
It's so funny. You guys are going to love it. You guys are going to love it. Honestly, it was such a good video. So yeah, make sure you check that out. I'm going to link it down below as well. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching.
See you later. Bye.
We're gonna put up a photo of the photo. Put the photo. Then did you order food? I'm starving. Make sure you put on airplane mode, you little slag. Instagram.
It's gonna be 1 minute long.
Oh, a minute?
No, it's 5 minutes. Right. This is Bruiser. Round 1. Ding, 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 ding. How to name your Asian baby.
So we'll put the photo up here.
So they're going to be right here. Wait, where?
So...
Cute.